Well, here I am for a quick update, and I've cut down my first banana tree. Apparently they only fruit once and then they die back. So I thought I would cut it back and make room for the ones that we've got growing here. There's quite a few small ones around the base of this, and I have to try and see if I can get as close to the base as possible. If I move back and go here, this tree here is the next one that's going to be fruiting. That was the next biggest one, the second one that was planted, and it's growing quite well alongside the two. It's difficult to see. Oops. Oh dear, let me go this way. So we've got these two in the front, the one that I've chopped down, and then there's several growing around it. And I haven't yet been able to move, like even some of these two pups would be nice. Why I call them pups? Are they called pups? These two have got to be moved. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to this particular one fruiting next. And the bananas that we get on these trees, well, the first one was green bananas. I left it to try and ripen, but they didn't. But I love green bananas anyway, and they're full of iron and other minerals and vitamins. And so, yeah, so my next task will be to see how many of these small pups I can remove and plant somewhere else, and then just let this banana circle establish itself and grow. There's at least 3 or 4 little ones that I can get. I need the proper tool to kind of dig in so that I can get as close to the mother tree, mothers, and get some of the root as well. I wanted to plant it further down the hill, and yeah, just have contrast in terms of the leaves, and have another spot